Hi guys, Mama Mita here, and so now my next video is about still being in Mexico, and now where we're at, we're going to be in the Caesar's restaurant. Now this is located on the Revolutional Avenue, just right around the corner, about 5 blocks down from the hotel that we've been staying at. So now Caesar's restaurant is famous. It was opened in 1923 by Caesar Cardini, and he was from Italy. And so this restaurant has had a lot of people that are famous that you'll see on the walls if you was to go there. There's many beautiful women and men that have come through there that are famous, and so you'll see all that on the wall. Now his menu is fine dining, but it's really, really good food, really good food. Some of the dishes I haven't tried yet. Like, I haven't tried the escargot, but I mean, like, I could. I mean, I've had that before when I was in France. And I like it, you know, but I just haven't tried it there. Usually, you know, what I go for is the beef Wellington. I like beef Wellington. But now you'll see in this video, the salad, the famous salad, actually being made at the table. Okay, we're ready. Hi guys, we are tonight celebrating dinner here at Caesar's restaurant in Tijuana.
Nice fresh egg there. Pepper, what is that? Radish? What is that? Worcester. Harry, you should get up and pour the olive oil. You could be a celebrity. Limone.
Listo, y aquí amasamos perfectamente bien, ¿ok?
Ojalá para ver si.
Aceite de olivo. Y terminamos con lo que es queso parmesano.
Parmesan.
Este es el resultado. Nuestro aderezo.
Beautiful.
Agregar las lechugas. Y aquí ya más mezclamos perfectamente bien nuestras hojas de lechugas que queden bien cubiertas del aderezo.
Alright. Make sure you get it on the plate when it goes on the table.
ensalada Caesar.
Beautiful.
Cámara, la cámara.
Thank you.
¿Está grabando la cámara o no?
¿Está grabando? Sí.
Esta es media. Gracias. Media orden.
That's half.
Y esta es orden completa con pollo, amigo.
That's it.
Provecho, ¿eh?
Gracias. Ah. Hey, está dando ¿Qué paga?
So enjoy this. Now, if you enjoyed this video afterwards, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Thank you guys. Bye now.